No, start over. Puppet, start over. I didn't start streaming. Okay, guys, this is a new person to the channel, Puppet.
Yeah.
Just speak louder, Puppet. What the heck? No, Puppet, no.
I
know
was
you're-
looking at the camera.
He's kind of like Shark Puppet. He likes cheese. Just like Shark Puppet.
No, I like flops. Like floppers. I like pieces
Well,
of
let's get into the video. Here we go. What the heck, Puppet?
What?
Come on, let's go. Yeah. What the heck? Kitty, running up the stairs. Kitty, running away. Puppet, what are you doing? Yo, Puppet. Puppet, what you doing? Hey, guys, we also got Lucas here.
Yeah. Let's put this puppy.
Yeah, it's just Puppet. No, it's actually Lucas controlling the puppet. Secret, it's actually Lucas controlling the puppet. Puppet. Puppet! I bet I can be you someday. Hey, you want to show us your boyfriend? Puppet, you want to show us your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Yes, you do. You told me you did. Come on, Puppet, let's go.
I'm not a girl. What do you think I'm a girl?
You want us to see your girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's see your girlfriend. I want to see your girlfriend. Come on. Show us your girlfriend.
She is red. Her name is Red Girl. And my name is
Yellow boy.
Yellow.
Oh my god, guys, we're gonna get to see Red girl and yellow boy. We're gonna be near the guitar. The guitar. Brand new guitar.
Leon.
Where are they? Oh, there they are. No, Lucas,
Yeah,
they
sorry
can't see your
if she
face.
doesn't have a voice. Sorry if you can't.
She doesn't? Then how do you know if it's a she?
I just know. I tricked you. This is how we kiss.
Bernie Sanders dropped out.
Don't look away, look away, look away, look away.
Or maybe it was this morning, honestly.
We have babies. Yes.
Did you know you can't have babies? Run! Run!